Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm pretty excited to do a quick unboxing and review about a brand new wireless microphone that you should consider buying to use with your camera. This is LENSGO 318C, the second generation. This wireless microphone can be used for both a smartphone and a camera. What I really love about this microphone is its magnetic charging capability. This magnetic built-in feature is very useful in organizing your microphones. The two transmitters magnetized and being charged with this receiver. Okay, before getting into more details about this microphone, let's check what's inside this box first. Okay, so here's the box. As you can see, it has this picture magnetic on both sides. So inside the box you have, this is the manual, a quick manual. You can just go through it very quickly. And this is the instruction manual. For more details and more languages, you can search for this. And of course, inside this one, you have the receiver and the transmitter. So here's the receiver and the transmitter. So if you can see it, it has the logo LENSGO. Yeah, the 318C, the second generation. It's mentioned in the top. And yeah, of course it's magnetic on both sides. This little bag. Yeah, inside the bag you have these. This is a camera cable where you use this one with the receiver and attach with your camera, and this one is with your smartphone, the phone that comes with the audio jack port. And you also see these two magnetic clips. So this one you use it with. This is a transmitter on both sides, as I mentioned earlier. And you put the clip, yeah, it's magnetic, so you can put it anywhere you want. This LENSGO wireless microphone can be used up to 7 hours and need only 3 hours for a fully charge. Most importantly, you can use the microphone up to 100 meters away from the receiver. How about the quality of this microphone? Well, I think you can be the judge whether this microphone, the quality from this microphone is acceptable or not, because I've been using this microphone. I'm recording this video with this microphone attaching over here for the whole video, for this video, yeah, specifically. So yeah, you can judge whether this is good or not. However, it is highly recommended for a better quality experience is you have to attach the microphone or the transmitter somewhere here, which is a bit closer to your mouth. So it's not recommended to put it here or even below there. About the price of this microphone? Well, this microphone is below $100. I think it's about $89. So for more information, please check the link in this video description. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment down below. If you haven't done subscribing to this channel yet, don't forget to do so, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thanks.